냐? 민머신냐?
Hi, you may know me from the How to Spin a Pen Like in Anime series, or maybe you're already subscribed. Today I wanted to pack up 5 pen spinning tricks to teach new viewers something cool and to remind my subscribers I'm still alive. 5 tricks, 5 minutes. Here we go. The first one of course will be the Thumbaround. If you want to skip this, there is timestamps in this video. First of all, grab a good pen and get in the starting position. Thumb and index finger holding near the tip of the pen and middle finger under the outer portion. From here, I want you to practice pushing the pen over and around your thumb using the middle finger. Whenever you try to thumb around, push the middle finger into the thumb and it will automatically make it rotate around your thumb. Here's a slow demonstration. Now, let's learn the sonic. So, starting position. Index and middle finger over the upper part of the pen and ring finger under the middle of the pen. Hold it in place with your thumb. From here, twist the pen by crossing your middle and ring finger like this. When the pen is over the middle finger, think about crossing your ring finger and index finger. Of course, you can't cross them, but it will make the pen spin over your middle finger. Then, just curl your index and middle finger into your palm and catch it. That's it. Going on, we got the Fingerpass, which is really easy but not as good looking as the others. All you have to do to understand this one is follow the steps exactly like you see here. Follow this twisting and catching pattern from top to bottom and just repeat. Simple as that. Then you can go on infinitely. The next trick is the anime Thumbaround. And I call it like this because I don't know the proper name and because I've seen it in this anime right here. So it's kind of a Thumbaround but a little different. Let's now get in the starting position. Index finger on the tip of the pen, thumb over and near the tip and the middle finger under the middle of the pen. What you want to achieve here is a rotation of the pen all the way up and above your thumb. Now, the pen here is resting on the index and middle finger. The thumb is only the pivot on which the pen spins. To achieve the spin, put some tension on the pen with the index finger and just push the pen up and into the thumb with your middle finger. This will make the pen rotate outwards and it will fly right into your hand to catch it. Last but not least, we got the Infinity, which is my absolute favorite but also the most challenging for some people. In my opinion, it is very easy and it's made up of 3 steps. In the first one, we're gonna hold the pen upwards by its tip and just let it swing down like this. Second step, grab the tip with the index and middle finger from that position. The pen will point outwards. From there, swing it inwards so that it's facing you, and from there, third step, just bring the pen back up with your thumb and repeat. What's tricky here is you gotta have a loose grip to let the pen move but still good enough to hold on to it. Here's a slow motion for you to better understand it. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe. And give me some video ideas in the comments. Or whatever. I have a test tomorrow and I made this video instead of studying.